Good morning, students. Today we will start new exercise, exercise 2b. Question number 1 is tick the correct answer. First is the value of 2 to the power minus 3. You have to choose from these 4 options. Now let's solve it here. Question number 1, the first part, 2 to the power minus 3. Okay, now to make this power positive, I take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of this number 2 is 1 over 2. When you take the reciprocal, this power minus 3 becomes 3. Now this is equal to 1 cube. This cube is for numerator also, denominator also. So 1 cube over 2 cube. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So answer is 1 by 8. Now here I see B is 1 by 8. So correct answer is B. So what is your answer? Answer is B, 1 by 8. Second part, 2 over 3 whole square is equal to. Okay. This means this square is for numerator also and for denominator also. So 2 square over 3 square. We can split the power with the numerator and denominator like this. 2 square means 2 into 2. 3 square means 3 into 3. If the power is 2, you will write 2 times. If the power is 3, remember you will write 3 times. If power is 4, you will write 4 times. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So where is 4 by 9? C part. So answer is C. 4 by 9, this is your answer. Third part is 3 to the power minus 4 into 2 to the power minus 4. You have to solve and see what is the answer. Now, we cannot solve the negative power. Always when you have negative power, you will make into positive power. To make into positive power, I taught you to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 over 3. Now this minus 4 becomes 4. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. This minus 4 becomes positive 4 now. Now this means 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 4 times. This means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 4 times. Same way 1 is multiplied 4 times. And here 2 is multiplied 4 times. If you multiply this 1 into 1 into 1, all will be 1 only. Here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Multiply by here 1 into 1 into 1 is all 1 only. 1 1s are 1, again 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now in the rough, you multiply 81 into 16. 6 1s are 6, 8 6s are 48. 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8. 6 9 12. So answer is equal to 1 1s are 1. 81 into 16, 1296. So the answer is, from here, they have not solved it fully. They have just given the answer in power only. Okay. So this will be the answer. Now how will you know actually this is the answer? 6 to the power 4 you multiply. Multiply 6 4 times. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. Again multiply by 6. 1296. Same answer. Okay. So you can write this is equal to 1 over 6 whole power 4. So what is the answer? A part is the answer. 1 over 6 to the power 4. This is the answer, this one. If you see your answer is not matching, then in what format it is? It is in the power format. So change the question into power format. Next, fourth part will be your homework. I will not do it. The questions that I don't do, it is understood that they are homework. Let's start with question number 2 now. Question number 2, first part. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate means solve. First is 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 means you will write 3 how many times? 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. Now multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. So this is your answer. Third part. 1 over 5 whole power minus 4. Okay, this one I am doing. 1 over 5 whole power minus 4. We have to solve it. Now you see negative power. Whenever there is negative power, you make it positive. So take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 over 5 is 5 over 1. 5 over 1. Now this minus 4 becomes 4. Negative power becomes positive. Now we can write this 5 to the power 4 over 1 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 means you will write 5 4 times. This is not 14, okay? This 4 is in the power. 1 is in the base, 4 is in the power. 5 is 4 times. 1 you will write also 4 times. Now in the rough you will multiply 5 4 times. Multiply this one. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are is 125, 125 5s are is 625. I'll show you 625. So answer is 625. Here when you multiply 1 4 times, still answer is 1 only, so it is equal to 625. The remaining two parts, second part and the fourth part, is your homework. Question number 3 now I am doing. Evaluate each of the following. Evaluate means again solve it. Question number 3, first part. 2 over 9 whole cube multiply by 2 over 9 whole cube. I taught you that if the bases are same, base here is 2 by 9, here also base is 2 by 9. If bases are same, we will add the powers. So answer will be 2 over 9. Write it one time only. Now add these powers. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. Now let's see. Now 2 over 9 whole power 6. That means 2 to the power 6 also, 9 also to the power 6. So write here 2 how many times? 6 times. And here 9 is 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's multiply now. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So numerator is 64. Denominator 9 9s are 81. This also 9 9s are 81. So I will multiply this 81 into this 81. Let's see. 81 into 81. 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 1, 16, 5, 6. Okay. This was 81, this also 81. So I multiplied them. Answer is 6561 till here. Again there is 9 9s are 81. Multiply it. 1 1s are 1, 1 6 are 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6. 8 1s are 8, 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, 8 5s are 40 plus 4 44, 4 carry, 8 6 are 48 plus 4 52. 1 8 and 6 14, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 5 it will be 14. This 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 is 3 and here is 5. So we get here over 5 3 1 4 4 1. This is your answer. Next one, I'll take the third part. Minus 1 over 3 whole power 3 into minus 1 over 3 whole power 5. Now again you see the base is same, minus 1 by 3 both the sides. So write it only one time. Base, now powers will be added. Bases are same, powers are added. You can give the reason also here, that will be nice. Base is same, powers are added. Base is same, powers are added. Here also you can write base is same, powers are added. Okay, so this is minus 1 over 3 whole power 3 plus 5 8. When you see the power is even, in the answer minus will change to positive. So don't worry about this minus sign. Had it been odd power, then answer will have minus sign. So answer will have positive sign. So, okay, so 1 when you multiply 8 times will be 1 only. And 3 when you multiply 8 times. Okay. Now I am not writing all 8 times here. Okay. So now you have understood. I have shown you also. It is tedious to write so many times. Okay, so you must learn to do in your fingers or in your mind 3 8 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's multiply. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Now still I have to go take this as, still here is 81. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 times more. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. That means 81 till here, again 81, 81 into 81. We have done already here 81 into 81. That is 6561. 6, 5, 6, 1. Still, if you cannot do on the fingers, you can write 3 8 times, then you multiply. Answer will be same only. Simplify and express the results in exponential form. That means you have to solve it, but the answer you will give in power form. Exponential form means power form only. So first one is 3 over 7 whole power 7 divided by 3 over 7 whole power 5. Here also you see base is same, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. When there is division sign, we subtract the powers. In the previous question that I taught you, there was multiply, so we add the powers. When there is division, you will subtract the power. So this is equal to 3 over 7 whole power, subtract the power 7 minus 5. Okay. So this is 3 by 7 whole power, 7 minus 5 is 2. The question says leave in the power form. Okay, so you leave the answer like this in power form. Third part, minus 4 over 5 whole power, this is 8 divided by minus 4 over 5 whole power 4. Here also you see base is minus 4 by 5, in this also minus 4 by 5. So same base, when there is division you will subtract the power. So is equal to minus 4 by 5, write only once, subtract the power 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So when answer is even, when the power is even, this minus will become plus only. So you can leave the answer till here, or if you want you can just write 4 by 5 to the power 4, because in the answer minus sign will not come when you solve this. If you leave till here also, it is fine. Next I'll take sixth part, 9 over 11 to the power 15 divided by 9 over 11 to the power minus 7. You see 9 by 11 base, here also 9 by 11 base. So what you will do, write it once and subtract the power. 15 minus, second power is minus 7. So since there are two signs, I am using a bracket, so you are not confused. 9 over 11 whole power 15 minus minus plus. 15 plus 7 is how much? 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the answer. This 22 is in the power, okay? Don't write it down. Write it nicely in your notebooks. Seventh part, 1 by 3 whole power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 whole power minus 3. Okay, so now I told you negative power we cannot solve, so take the reciprocal, it becomes 3, power becomes positive. Here also reciprocal is 2, power becomes positive. Divided by, here also reciprocal is 4, power becomes positive. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Multiply 3 times. Multiply 3 times. It will be 27. Multiply 2 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Multiply 4 3 times. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 27 minus 8, 17 minus 8 is 9, 19. Okay, divided by 64. So this is the answer, 19 by 64. If you see, we cannot convert this into power. They is told to convert the answer in power form. But in this 19 we cannot, there is no number whose power is 19. So just leave it like this only. This is the answer. The next question is question number 5. Find the value of 5 to the power 0. This is easy. I have taught you any number whose power is 0, answer is 1. Second one, 29 to the power minus 19 plus 19. Okay. Minus 19 plus 19 will be 0. When you have two same numbers with different signs, minus and plus, they cancel. So answer is 0. Any number power 0, answer is 1. Fourth part, 5 to the power 0 minus 8 to the power 0 plus 12 to the power 0. 5 to the power 0 is 1, 8 to the power 0 also 1, 12 to the power 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, so I think you should be able to do the fifth, sixth and the third part also by yourself. If you want, I'll take the third part. Third part is minus 10 whole 2 into 9 minus 10 minus 8 is equal to minus 10. 2 nines are 18. First you multiply. You use BODMAS when there are different signs. So first multiply. Now minus 10 minus 8 is minus 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. Any number power 0, answer is 1. So remaining parts of all the questions from question number 1 to all this one till question number 5 till here, what I have not done is your homework for today. So complete all, write the notes which I have sent in your copy. The other questions from 1 to 5 you will be solving by yourself. Any problem you will be asking me in your class time next day.